Hi, welcome to HealthTime03. Today we are going to discuss why people get sick. Have you ever wondered why someone may get sick while another person does not? Well, there are many reasons why someone may be sick, and today we're going to have an overview of some of these reasons. First of all, there are hereditary diseases. All of our features are determined by our genes. Genes contain our DNA, and they are found inside almost every cell in our bodies. Genes are passed on from one generation to the next. Our features are therefore determined to a large extent by our parents' features. If a parent has a particular disease, he may pass on that disease to his children through his genes. One example of an inherited disorder is sickle cell anemia. People may also get sick because of a weakened immune system. Your immune system is your body's way of fighting off infection. For example, your body produces different kinds of white blood cells which fight against the invasion of germs. Some white blood cells swallow a bacteria and destroy it before it can cause an infection. There are many ways in which one's immune system may become weakened. One example is HIV, which is spread through unsafe sexual practices and through the indiscriminate use of needles. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. This is the virus that causes AIDS, which stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Imagine that country A wants to attack country B. Country B has an army and weapons that it uses to defend itself. Imagine now that country A has bombed all of country B's weapons and killed off its entire army. Country B is now defenseless and is very vulnerable to attack from its enemy. This is what AIDS does to your body. Your body is constantly at war with germs that want to invade it and make you sick. Your body has a defense system and weapons that it uses to fight against these germs. AIDS attacks and destroys your body's defenses. You are left weakened with no way of defending against disease. Some people get sick because of their environment. Polluted air and water are potentially very dangerous. We should be vigilant in making sure that waste is properly disposed of so that it does not pose any threats to our environment. The microorganisms transmitted through contaminated drinking water often infect regions of the gut. When one drinks unclean water containing harmful bacteria, these bacteria colonize an area of the gut and reproduce. They are then passed out when one defecates and possibly find their way back into the water. The same thing happens with contaminated food. Most food poisoning is bacterial, but some viruses are transmitted through food. Another way in which you may become ill is by exposure to sick people. In this way, you are exposed to viruses and bacteria and may catch whatever infection they have. Many infections are spread by direct contact with an infected person, such as by shaking hands or when the person coughs and sneezes. This is especially so with surfaces in public areas, such as on buses. So you see, there are many ways in which one may become sick. We all have to be vigilant in keeping ourselves safe. Practice good hygiene, make sure that your environment is kept clean, and don't engage in activities that you will later regret. That's it for today. I'll see you again soon.